कैट माने बिल्ली, RAT रैट, रैट माने चूहा, अरे दिल है तेरे पंजे में तो क्या हुआ?
MAD मैड, मैड माने पागल, BOY बॉय, बॉय माने लड़का, रे मतलब इसका तुमको हो तो क्या हुआ?
CAT कैट, कैट माने बिल्ली, RAT रैट, रैट माने चूहा, अरे दिल है तेरे पंजे में तो क्या हुआ?
MAD मैड, मैड माने पागल, BOY बॉय, बॉय माने लड़का, रे मतलब इसका तुमको हो तो क्या हुआ?
अरे बावरी तू बन जा मेरी, जरा सुन मैं क्या कहता हूँ।
जरा देख किधर तुझे है खबर, तू है कौन और मैं क्या हूँ?
अरे बावरी तू बन जा मेरी, जरा सुन मैं क्या कहता हूँ।
Good morning, everyone. Please sit down. Where are my favorite reporters, David and Vishwas?
Sir, they have gone to cover the most serious and intricate issue of today.
And what's that?
Sir, you don't know Ajay Devgan's servant who's working for past 10 years has left the job?
Really?
It seems that...
Don't you think we're here to discuss something more important?
Yes. So what do we have for tomorrow's telecast?
We have a full story on state politics and some interesting civil issues and...
Oh, okay. That's not enough. What about the special programs?
Why? Aren't they good? They're informative and a source of human development.
Yes, of course. But that will not fetch us bread.
What? I didn't have my breakfast today.
Is that a spinach sandwich? I hope you've got one for me too.
Oops, I forgot. I'll get one tomorrow.
Yeah, please do.
Sir, with cheese or without cheese?
I prefer with cheese, but my wife, Yeah, whatever. So I was saying, we have to show stuff that sells. Look at our competitors. They're touching heights. Look at us. Where are we?
I agree. We are doing really bad compared to other news channels out there. And there is a very low response to our programs, and our sponsors are also backing out.
How do we bounce back with high TRPs?
Sorry.
So, how about a sting operation on famous personalities like actors, politicians? What do you think?
Being the legal advisor, I feel this can get us into a legal process, which is risky and unaffordable at the moment.
How about a story on health hazards?
Yeah, like Anna Hazare mentioned. Right, Mr. CEO? Right, Mr. CEO?
Sir, how about a program on bailout of Greek economy?
Programming head? Anyways, how about a documentary on the murder of Muammar Gaddafi?
Let me put this straight. All your thoughts are so common and not appealing to me as an audience at all. Try to think out of the box and come up with ideas that are unique.
Let's cook up. Mr. Roy, director sir asked to think out of the box, not to make a lunchbox.
Mr. Roy, please elaborate. What do you want to put across?
Sure, sir. As a creative head, my idea is that if we are not able to find any interesting story to project, then let's come up with our own illusionary and unique story. What do you think?
You mean a fake story?
If you want to call it that.
He's so smart.
What? You wanna see smoke when there's no fire? It's not right.
Yes, Miss Prachi is right. It won't work, sir.
It will, Mr. Shitty.
It is shady, Mr. Roy.
Do you think it will work? Sir, let me explain to you.
Explain? No way. It's against the norms of journalism and ethics of media. But sir, it's not gonna work. People will not believe us without any proof.
Yes, she's right. We may get into trouble.
Not an issue. We can come out with a clean sheet.
Yes, we can.
Technology, my friend. Everything is possible.
So, what's the plan? Now that's what I call an idea. Great job.
Thank you, sir.
But sir,
We have the best technology to make people believe it.
Yes, not bad. Can be made.
It's unethical.
Come on, we just need TRPs, that's it.
that's wrong. We cannot cheat the public. They look up to us as an image of truth.
Precisely, honey. We throw the ball and they pick it up. Now let's get back to work, people. Tomorrow is a big day. Well done, boys. You got your work.
Welcome to CNTV. This is David. Let's have a look at today's breaking news. So far, government is not able to clear out what was behind this unbelievable incident of blaming cats and dogs. This is assumed as crazy by those not present in the live situation, but it's really happening. Whether it could be unexpected effect of global warming or is it a prank? So far, nothing can be assumed from this incident. Let's take you to our correspondent reporting live from the scene.
Okay, David. We are reporting live from an unbelievable, unprepared situation. As we predicted rainfall today. People were surprised with rainfall, which is unusual because it rained cats and dogs. Yes, I repeat, cats and dogs. So far there are no cats and dogs injured in this fall, but all we see or hear everywhere around is cats and dogs. Please have a live peep into the scene at what is happening. Is it a game of nature or what? No one knows what is behind the running of cats and dogs.
Unbelievable. I gotta check this out.
Yes, I repeat, cats and dogs. So far there are no cats and dogs injured in this fall, but all we see or hear everywhere around is cats and dogs.
Oh, so it's true.
Online clear, online clear, online clear. आगे बढ़ो आगे चलो, छोटी सी ये अल्टन पल्टन फौज है मेरे घर की, साथ हमारे तोप का गोला बात नहीं है डर की. ऑनलाइन क्लियर, ऑनलाइन क्लियर, लाइन क्लियर है बाय. कभी खाली गया ना निशाना, मुझसे टकराएगा क्या जमाना. कभी खाली गया ना निशाना, मुझसे टकराएगा